First, we shall walk through the administrator process. Sign in with an admin account. Find an NPC character. Select the admin option. We'll add a new course and subject. Once we've done this, we will then create a new quiz for the newly created subject. We give our quiz a new name and how long the quiz timer will last for. We'll set the first question, give it the correct answer, and then 3 potential wrong answers. We'll add one more question just to make it interesting. And once we're done, we'll click finish to go back. Next, we'll create a lecture. Give the new lecture a title. Again, select the course and the subject, and enter in the URL link to where your video is located. We can set breakpoints by defining the amount of seconds into the video. For this case, we've chosen 4 seconds, and we add a question, a correct answer, and again 3 potential incorrect answers. Now we're going to log out and register a new student account, and we're going to place this student onto the course. This time we have to create a new character, so we give the new character a name and define an avatar. Once in the game, we're going to go and find an NPC. Once selected, we notice that the options are different compared to the administrator. We do a quiz first. We choose the quiz that we've just created, and we go through the questions one at a time, selecting either answers. At the end, results are displayed and feedback is given. Next, we'll do a lecture. We select a lecture from the list and we begin to watch our lecture. And as we got a breakpoint very early on, we get a question very soon. We answer that and the lecture continues. Now we'll fast forward this. Like in the quiz, at the end you'll get the results panel for any questions that were answered throughout the lecture. Finally, as a placeholder, we have a little game as a workshop. Finally, the 3 icons at the top, we have a chat option where we can send messages to other players currently on the server, and we have a map so we can zoom in, zoom out, see where other players are in the game world. And the final button is the exit button. Thank you for watching.